In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a page link in Notion using double brackets. Let's get started by opening Notion, either in your browser or the desktop app. Make sure you're in the correct workspace and on the account that has edit access to the content you want to update. Once Notion is open, navigate to the page where you want to place the hyperlink. This could be a notes page, a project hub, or any document where linking to another Notion page will help readers jump to related information quickly. With your page open, click into the exact spot where you want the link to appear. You can place it in line with a sentence, at the end of a paragraph, or even as a standalone line if you want it to stand out. Now here's the simple trick. Type the left square bracket twice, like this, double bracket. The moment you press those two brackets, Notion opens a quick search menu right where you're typing. This menu is designed to help you find and link to any existing page in your workspace without breaking your writing flow. Start typing the name of the page you want to link to. As you type, the list will narrow down to the best matches. Use your arrow keys to highlight the correct page, then press Enter or click it with your mouse. Instantly, Notion drops in a clean, inline link using the page's title. You can keep typing right after it, just like normal text. If you don't see the page you're looking for, try adding more specific keywords from its title to refine the results. A quick tip on navigation. Clicking the link will open a preview, and pressing Command or Control while you click will open it as a full page, which is handy for focused reading. If you need to reposition the link, place your cursor before it and move it with your text, or delete and reinsert it with the same double bracket method. This approach also works great for linking to database pages, so your project entries, meeting notes, or tasks can reference each other without duplication. That's really all there is to it. Open Notion, go to your page, type double bracket, pick the page you want, and the link is created. It's a lightweight, fast way to keep your workspace connected and make your documents more useful for anyone reading them. Give it a try on a few pages you use often, and you'll see how quickly your notes start working together. Thanks for watching, and happy linking.